Are you wondering what it's really like to stay inside of an interior cabin on a cruise ship? Does it really feel like sleeping inside of a broom closet? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's KeairaJay Travels. I'm giving you all a room tour of our interior cabin on the Carnival Magic. We were in cabin 8322. From the back of the door, I'm showing you all the safety information, which includes your muster station. To the right, at the top of the cabins, you will see 2 life jackets, as well as some hanging storage space. Right next to that one, there is a couple more closets with more hanging space. At the bottom of this one, there's also 2 more life jackets, and then also these are some shelves. So plenty of storage. Quick tip, you can either put your suitcases in the closet or you can slide them underneath your bed. Right here, the TV is pretty small. It's about a 19-inch TV, but it is currently playing the safety information. If you have purchased any items pre-cruise, they will be waiting inside of your cabin. We purchased a 12-pack of waters. And then we were able to carry on the 12-pack of pop. So Carnival does allow you to bring on a 12-pack non-alcoholic beverage, as well as 750 milliliter bottle of wine or champagne. You have a safe here as well as a cooler. It doesn't get super cold, so it's pretty much a cooler. Here is the main area of the room. In the interior cabins, there are 2 configurations. You can have 2 twin beds, or they can put it together to make a king bed. One thing that's super important, there are not any outlets next to the bed. So you cannot plug up your phone and scroll in these rooms. You have storage space next to both beds. You have 2 lamps as well as a light switch that controls the whole room. So right here is going to be my daughter, as well as the vanity in the room. It comes with a full-size mirror. You have some storage space. You also have 2 towels that you can use at the pool or take with you on excursions. This is going to be the Euro outlet. So if you have a converter, you can bring that. Of course, the remote for the television and the fun times. So the fun times is pretty much going to be your schedule of what's going on the ship. You will receive like a good to know tips about the cruise, as well as a menu for room service and a telephone if you wanted to call guest services, or if you travel with any companions like we did. I called their rooms a couple of times. So right here is going to be the main light switch. And then of course, this door right here leads to your bathroom. So yes, Carnival Magic does have these shower curtains. Inside the shower, there is the removable shower head. You will have shampoo as well as shower gel. So honestly, I recommend bringing your own soap. If you forget it, there is shower gel, but no air conditioner if you do not bring any. That is the toilet, of course. It comes with towels stocked in a room. You have a mirror, a magnifying mirror for makeup, as well as some shelves to unpack and put your toiletries in here, bar soap. A couple of tips for the restroom. We did buy the magnets, so we did use those to kind of stick the magnets to the side of the shower curtain so that it didn't stick to us while in the shower. That was great. And then we also brought a bottle of like soft soap so that we had liquid soap in the cap. So yeah, that is the complete interior room tour for room 8322. It is kind of a tight fit. It's about 185 square feet, so probably a little smaller than a dorm room. I will say, if you are on a budget and you want to save money, the interior room is the way to go. I thought that I would miss having windows. I didn't really. And because we spent so much time outside of the room and on the deck, I didn't really feel like we missed out on this particular itinerary by not having a balcony or ocean view. I will say this room gets pitch black when you turn off the television and all the lamps. So we honestly got the best sleep that we had gotten in a long time, and it made it pretty difficult to get up sometimes in the morning. But as always, if you enjoyed this video, found it helpful or entertaining, just hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the rest of my Carnival Magic series. Bye!